Welcome to the Cryotos Maintenance Management podcast. I'm Bruce, and today we're talking about the ROI of smart asset management. How does it work, and why is it a game changer for maintenance operations? Joining me is Lucas, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Lucas.
Thanks, Bruce. Excited to be here and discuss how technologies like IoT and AI are revolutionizing asset management.
Let's start with the basics. What does smart asset management really mean in today's industrial world?
Smart asset management uses IoT sensors to collect real-time data from assets. AI and machine learning analyze this data to predict failures and schedule maintenance before issues arise. It's a shift from reactive to proactive maintenance.
That sounds fantastic. So how does this translate into real ROI for companies?
There are several key benefits. 1. Reduced downtime. Predicting failures means maintenance happens before issues cause costly downtime. 2. Extended asset life. Proactive repairs prevent major breakdowns, extending the life of your assets. 3. Optimized resources. You focus on critical assets, using labor and materials more efficiently. 4. Energy savings. Well-maintained equipment runs more efficiently, lowering energy costs. This all adds up to real, measurable savings for your operations.
That's impressive. Can you give us an example of a company that's seen strong ROI from this approach?
Sure, one manufacturing company saw a 30% reduction in unplanned downtime after implementing IoT sensors and predictive maintenance. This not only reduced repair costs, but also extended asset life by 15%. They saw ROI in just 18 months, and now they're optimizing even more of their assets.
That's incredible. For our audience looking to get started with smart asset management, what's the first step?
Start small by focusing on your most critical assets, those with the biggest impact on your operations. Implement IoT sensors, gather data, and begin with predictive maintenance. As you see the benefits, you can scale up. Involve your IT, operations, and maintenance teams to ensure smooth implementation and maximize the value of the data.
Good advice. Starting small and scaling up makes it more manageable. Thanks so much for your insights today, Lucas. It's clear that smart asset management isn't just a trend, it's a powerful strategy for driving ROI. That wraps up today's episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management podcast. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights